Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about clear validators of a form control in reactive forms. So why to use clear validators and what is the purpose of clear validators method over a form control we will learn in this. And we have learnt about set value, set validators in our previous video. Please try to watch my previous video for better understanding. I'll provide the link in the description. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. Here I have created a project and it is having a app.component.html along with app.component.ts. So let me create some HTML content for better understanding. So let me create input and a placeholder with username, and let me create a form control which is of username, and the same form control we will be defining in our TypeScript file colon, which is of type form control, and this is equal to new form control. As form control is a class, I am creating an object for that, and the default value is empty. For the first time, I'm giving validators for this particular username. Let me give validators dot required. This is my validator, which is a default validator whenever my application is loaded. So let me save this, and also let me save this HTML. And also what I want to do is I want to create a button which says remove validations. So what this button will do, whenever I click on this button, my validations for the username should be removed completely. So let me use a event called as click event, and let me give a method name called as remove validations. So this is my method name. Let me define this in my TS file. Remove validations. In this remove validations, what I want to do is when the user clicks on this, let me give this dot username dot, there is some method called as clear validators, which is a empty parenthesis method. This is used for clearing all the validations which are existing for my username. Let me save this, and also let me save this HTML. So when the user clicks on this, this validation will be triggered. But before that, when the user does not click on that button, we may need to check whether that required validation is working as expected or not. Let me create a div, and which is having a condition ngIf is equal to username whenever this username is invalid, and also whenever this username is touched, or whenever the username is changed, that means dirty. Then we have to check whether that required exists or not. Let me give a paragraph, and in this paragraph let me create one if condition ngIf is equal to, what is my if condition, the username, if it has errors and that errors is having a required property, then show username is required. So for the first time it has a required validation, hence when I touch this property or when I change some value inside this validation will be invoked, and it will check whether that username has the value or not, and based on that, if the value does not exist, that will be showing this particular error message. And when the user clicks on this remove validations, then that validation should be removed for my username. Let me go to the browser. Here let me reload this, and when I touch here and come out, you can see this username is required, and when I type something, the error message has been gone, and when I remove again, username is required. Now what I want to do is when I click this remove validations, this validation should be removed, and for the next time whenever I'm typing something in the username, and if I'm not typing something in the username, that validation should be disappeared. So let me click on this, but here if you see the username is required, again validation is still persisting when I click on the remove validations also. Why? Because as per our previous video, whenever we are changing some validation, we have to apply or invoke some other method called as update value and validity. So this will apply our validations immediately to our username control, and then it will be reflected on your HTML content. Let me go back now and let me click here, come outside, username is required, let me change some value, username is required has gone, and let me remove this. When the username is empty, again we are showing username is required. Let me click on the remove validations. When I click on this remove validations, now the validation has been cleared. Let's check that. Let me touch here, come outside, touch here, come outside. Even we are not getting an error message. And if I type something and if I remove something, you are not getting any error message. So this is how we can remove our validations for a particular form control and update our HTML immediately by using update value and validity. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my explanation, please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.